Porsche Macan is the fifth model in the Porsche lineup and their first entry into the premium small SUV class. The Macan combines sports car power and performance with 5-passenger SUV versatility and off-road capability. The Macan is offered in 5 trim levels: Base, S, GTS, Turbo and Turbo with Performance package. The base Macan is powered by a 252 horsepower turbo 4-cylinder, the S by a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 making 340 horsepower. The GTS has the same 3.0-liter V6 as the S, putting out 360 horsepower, while the Turbo gets a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 with 400 horsepower. The Performance package bumps that up to 440. All engines are connected to a paddle-shifted 7-speed PDK transmission and a full-time all-wheel drive system. An auto start-stop system and coasting function help to improve fuel economy, while a standard sport button enables the driver to engage a higher performance motorsport-inspired driving experience. Standard safety features include stability control, anti-lock brakes, multi-collision brake, LED brake lights, 4 seatbelt pretensioners and 10 airbags with passenger side occupancy sensor. Options include 14 and 18-way power seats, 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, panoramic sunroof, keyless entry and drive, air suspension, standard on GTS and Turbo with Performance package, carbon ceramic brakes, Bose and Burmester audio systems, navigation system, Apple CarPlay and a wide selection of interior trim materials. The Porsche Macan is unchanged for 2018.